What are you doing, Stinky Doo? Are you watching the chair? Are you watching the chair? That's my daughter when she was like, I think 3 or 4. How cute. So it has been raining all night and it is so gorgeous. And my blanket from the tent is still sitting right there. So my husband said, just throw it away. We never use it anyway. And I'm like, it's a freaking brand new blanket, dude. We've only used it like twice. Why would I throw it away? But it weighs 500 pounds because I've been letting it sit in the rain for 3 days. Yes, things married people talk about. What you got, Coconut? God. But I don't know, but I'm a happy dog. And somebody was up all night long coughing. Yes, because somebody's choking on something again. Because she eats everything like a little scavenger. Yep, so we were giving cough medicine and Benadryl, and Mama was spraying and thought she was gonna die. And then she woke up and ate like a little piglet. So don't get a pug. Don't get one. Lots of work. Get a golden retriever. So last night, I couldn't sleep, so I got up like at 2 in the morning. I know, I think it was 3. Put my heater on, shut the curtains, and I fell asleep out here for like an hour. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get up. And so I got back up, and then my husband came out here and he's like, I think I'm gonna sleep out here too. So he slept out here for a half an hour. It's just so nice to be in the rain. Just the sound of it is just beautiful. Yes, so we just kind of stay in our little cabin over here. Huh, dink, stink. We stay warm. Now I feel like it's fall. Okay, so